It's movie night for you and a special friend, and you would like to fix something delicious. Well, we got you covered here at A Sci Guy Cooks With Pizza Pot Pie. So let's get started. Let's make the top crust. Now let's prepare the filling. Chopped ham works best for this recipe. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 30 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Originally known as meat pies, pot pies originated in England in the 16th century. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try some of this pizza pot pie. Wow, the pizza filling has an amazing flavor, and of course the top crust has a tender, flaky crumb. This is absolutely delicious. Join the conversation. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that movie's going to be a hit. Stay with us, watch another video.